When performing a color change, it's good practice to perform the cleaning process thoroughly. First step is to get all the color out of the airbrush by spraying out all the excess onto a paper towel. Next, you can add a few drops of water, and I like to dump this out. Add a little more water and go ahead and spray that out. You can wipe the inside of the cup. Go ahead and add a couple more drops of water. Go ahead and pull the trigger back so it lets the water run through. And by plugging the tip of the airbrush, it should bubble if you pull back. This rinses any pigment out of the airbrush body. You do this a few times. One more rinse of water, go ahead and dump that out. One more wipe of the cup, and it should be clean in there. Now note, you should be able to pull out the needle, as there still might be some food color left on your needle. Take a clean napkin, wipe that. Now very gently insert your needle. Make sure not to push too hard on the needle, as it might damage the fluid nozzle or the needle. Replace the handle. Go ahead and do one more rinse. Now you're ready to change colors.